And it is another year and another time at HHN. We are heading to wristband pickup because it just turned 3 o'clock, and you can, if you are already in the park or if you have Stay and Scream or annual pass, you can get your wristband starting at 3 o'clock. And we are heading to Lombard Seafood Grill. You can also get one toward the front of the park, but yeah, we're just gonna get our wristbands early. We just picked up our wristbands from Lombard's. Here we go. And now we are going to stop at Central Park Crepe so I can get another brisket crepe because it was so good 2 days ago. And then we're gonna maybe take that and grab a beer and then head to wait in line. Our first house is going to be Five Nights at Freddy's, and then from there we'll see what else we can do. We lined up at Path A a few minutes before the gates opened, and there was a decent sized crowd here, so I would definitely get here early if you want to be at the front of the line. I have to grab a couple of snacks. I got some Twisted Tater Chips and a Phantom Punch and a souvenir cup, since refills in the souvenir cup are cheaper than if you were to get it. It's a 20-ounce cup and you only pay the price of a 14-ounce refill. But we are walking backstage to the Five Nights at Freddy's queue. After that, hopefully we can do the WWE house. We are now in the queue for Five Nights at Freddy's. This house opens at 5:15 along with the WWE house. And this is how long the queue is right now. Plus the amount of people behind us. The queues are inside of sound stages or tents, which means that they are covered and you'll be protected from the rain and the sun. We are making our way through the queue for Five Nights at Freddy's. The posted wait is 180 minutes. It was at capacity, but they just started letting people in because it just turned 5:15. Well, it's 5:22 now. But yeah, 180-minute wait. This is obviously the longest wait right now, but we'll see. WWE is saying 75 minutes. I'm not sure that's worth waiting 75 minutes, so we'll see what the time is when we get out. Stage 23 is where Five Nights at Freddy's is, and we are about to walk in a few moments. Okay, so we just got out of Five Nights at Freddy's. That one was good. It wasn't too scary. It was a good warm-up house, but it was good. A couple of jump scares, but it was good. I give that one, what do we give that?
I want to give that one like a 6.5.
Okay.
Only because I definitely, you know, I got mad at one of them because I was just like, hey.
It's definitely kid-friendly.
Yeah.
It's a lot more like animatronics and puppets. But yeah, I would give that one a 7 out of 10. That one was a good warm-up house. But we are about to head over to WWE because it's only 15 minutes. And then we're going to try to run over to Terrifier. And we just made it to WWE Horrors of the Wyatt 6 with a 15-minute wait. This will be our last house before the park officially opens to the general public. I mean, it said 15 minutes, but this should pretty much be a walk-on because the soundstage is empty. There's nobody in the queue. Nobody in the queue. This is perfect for our goal of trying to get as many houses done as we need to. This will be our second house of the night. So we just got out of WWE, the Horrors of the Wyatt 6, and that one I would give 8 out of 10. I wasn't expecting that one to be good, because I was just like, oh, like WWE, but that one was pretty good.
I give that a solid 8.
I would give that an 8. They had some really good scares. I wasn't expecting it to be as good as it was, but it was pretty good. And we waited like 5 minutes, even though it said 15 minutes. So now we're gonna run over to El Artista, and that one's 15 minutes. We're gonna run over to El Artista, do that, and then do Terrifier. What did you think of WWE? 8. It's good. Definitely need to do that one. I wouldn't skip that one. We're gonna try to find our way to El Artista, and let's see where we end up. getting in line for El Artista. This line is only a 15-minute wait. So far with Stay and Scream, we got 2 houses done. We got WWE and Five Nights at Freddy's done. So it is very important to add that to your ticket because we were able to get 2 houses done before the event officially started. So this is our first house since the event officially started. And we'll see how it goes. It's definitely not a 15-minute wait. It's been about 20 minutes. They did update it in the app to 45 minutes, but it's so good to just knock it out of the way. Okay, so we just finished our taste, our 3rd house of the night, and I must say the production value of these houses, very, very nice. They obviously have a really big budget. Everything is really big, grand, huge scale. I definitely love it. Ooh. I just got another Phantom Punch refill, and I'm gonna try the Sienna's Burnt Angel Wings here at the Terrifier food booth.
We also tried the Pickle Bucket Baked Chicken and the Yum Yum Deviled Eggs from the Fallout booth.
We just entered the queue for Jason, and it has a posted 45-minute wait. Okay, so now that we're in line for Jason with some snacks. But I don't think I told you about El Artista. Production value of all of these houses is really grand, big budget, so everything is going to be absolutely amazing. El Artista, I think we had a bad run because we missed a lot of scares. A lot of the scares were behind us. Toward the end, it got a lot better, but I would give that one a 6 because we had a lot of bad scares. I mean, a bad run. I think if we do it again, it would be a lot better because it was a beautiful house. But I must say all of the food so far has been really good. I definitely think it's worth paying the extra money for HHN to try some of the food. The wings were really, really good. I love the wings. What else did I really like? The twisted chips, which are like a little twist on the twisted tater, because they're not doing the twisted tater this year, but that was really good. We also tried the deviled eggs. Those were interesting, I'd say, but not terrible, just interesting. And the pickle bucket fried chicken was good. The dipping sauce was really good as well.
Let me in! What's the password? Forget the password. Open the door!
It's been a while, forgot to give a quick update. Jason was really good, 10 out of 10. Scares all over the place. Wait times are really high right now, so we are taking a quick break and going into Diagon Alley. We're going to do Fallout, but as soon as we were about to jump in line, the wait time went up to 90 minutes instead of 60 minutes. So now we're going to do Gulkin instead because that's 60 minutes. All the wait times right now are longer than an hour, so it doesn't really matter what you do. So we are just going to do this since we're right here and see how it goes. We just got out of Gulkin, Monsters of the North. That one was pretty good. Some of the scares were a little weak, but it wasn't a bad house. The visuals really nice. We had like this really big, like monster animatronic that looked really cool. We're gonna try to go to the fountain show after this. Maybe do another house before Nightmare Fuel. And then we'll see where that ends up. As we were walking, we saw Hatchet and Chains only had a 45-minute wait, so we just decided to jump in line. It's one of the shortest waits in the park right now, so may as well. And this will be our 6th house of the night. Try the mom cut the crust off the PB&J, and I'll tell you how it is.
Oh, y'all look scary as fuck. Y'all look scary as hell. Don't do too much in there now. Stepping on the ground.
We just finished Terrifier, the last house of the night, and we did the web path. Not too bad, but that house is obviously a 10 out of 10.
Never again.
Along with, Jason. So basically the only houses that we didn't get a chance to do were Fallout, Dolls, and Grave of Flesh, which is pretty good. We got 7 out of 10 houses done.